Hi guys, how can you create grass in Adobe Illustrator? All you have to do is select the color green in the color panel. Then choose the shape tool and create circle type shape. Now press Alt and drag to duplicate it. Keep pressing Alt to create multiple copies. Make sure there is no space between the shapes, line them up. Next, go to Effect, Distort, Transform and select Roughen. Adjust the settings, size 100 and details 95. Press OK. And that's it. That's the simplest way to create grass in Adobe Illustrator.